In my previous video, I have discussed with you that we all need nutrients to perform different functions of our body on the basis of mode of nutrition. Organisms can be classified into two categories: autotrophs and heterotrophs. Plants are known as autotrophs because they can prepare their food themselves. Other animals are known as heterotrophs. Now we will understand that how plants can prepare their food. The process of preparing food by plants is known as photosynthesis. 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 Try to understand the meaning of this word. Photo means light. Synthesis means to create something new. Have you ever heard this word before? Yes, in 6th class you have learned about photosynthesis. Now we will learn more about this process. As we know that leaves are the food factories of plants. Therefore, all the raw materials must reach the leaf. Water, minerals present in the soil are absorbed by the roots and transported to the leaves. What is meant by transported? Moving from one place to another place. As we know that leaves are the food factories of plants, we have to shift the raw materials to the leaf. But we know that water and minerals are present in the soil and they are absorbed by roots. Stem transport water and mineral to the leaves. Carbon dioxide from air is taken in through the tiny pores present on the surface of leaves. All leaves have some tiny pores present on it. Carbon dioxide is taken in by stomata. These tiny pores are known as stomata. These pores are surrounded by guard cells. Such pores are called stomata. What we call them? Stomata. So, water and minerals are absorbed by roots and transported to the leaves. Leaves themselves have stomata, so carbon dioxide can be taken in through stomata. Now, just like Bujo, you must be thinking that how water and minerals absorbed by roots reach the leaves. I have already answered this question to you. Try to find out. Yes, with the help of stem, roots transport water and minerals to leaves. Water and minerals are transported to the leaves by the vessels which run like pipes throughout the root, the stem, the branches and the leaves. Very important. In the root, stem, the branches and the leaves, vessels are present. You can understand this by taking an example how we transport water from one place to another place through pipe. So these vessels are just like pipes. With the help of these vessels, water and minerals are transported to the leaves. These vessels are present in root, stem, branches and even in leaves too. It is just like a water distribution system we are having in our home. Plants are having vessels to transport mineral and water. They form a continuous path or passes for the nutrients to reach the leaf. They are called vessels. We will learn more about vessels in chapter 11. Now, just like Paheli, you must be thinking that so what is so special about the leaves that they can synthesize food but other parts of plant cannot? Do you have this question in your brain? Okay, so let's try to find out the answer of this question. The leaves have a green pigment called chlorophyll. It helps leaves to capture the energy of the sunlight. So what make leaves so special that it can prepare the food for plant? The presence of green pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. Yes. It helps leaves to capture the energy of the sunlight. This energy is used to synthesize food from carbon dioxide and water. I have already told you the meaning of synthesize. Synthesize means to prepare. Now let's try to understand the whole concept, children. The leaves in a plant have green pigment called chlorophyll. This chlorophyll capture the sunlight. The energy of the sunlight is used to synthesize food from carbon dioxide, which is taken in through stomata present on leaves, and water. Water is transported through vessels from roots, or we can say that roots will absorb the water from soil and transport it to the leaves through vessels. Now are you able to understand the functioning of all plant parts in preparation of food? We call leaves as food factories, but every plant part contribute something in the process of preparation of food. Since the synthesis of food occurs in the presence of sunlight, it is called photosynthesis. Very important. Since the synthesis of food occurs in the presence of sunlight, it is called photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means to prepare or to combine. So we find that chlorophyll, sunlight, carbon dioxide and water are necessary to carry out the process of photosynthesis. It is a unique process on the earth. The solar energy, what is meant by solar energy? Energy from sunlight, energy of the sunlight. The solar energy is captured by the leaves and stored in the plant in the form of food. Thus, sun is the ultimate source of energy for all living organisms. Try to understand this point again. Plants capture energy of sunlight. With the help of that energy, they prepare their food. That food is taken by other organisms or animals. So, and with the help of that food, other animals get energy. So, indirectly, all the animals get the energy from sunlight or use solar energy. We will continue the topic in next video.